In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons and text in Notion. If you've ever wanted your notes, tasks, or documentation to feel clearer and more expressive, adding small icons right inside your text is a simple way to do it. I'll show you exactly how to add them as you type, how to paste them from elsewhere, and how to pull in a page's icon when you reference it. First, let's use the colon shortcut. Type a colon directly after a word, no space, and then the keyword for the icon you want, like fire or check. The key detail here is that T here is no space between the word and the colon, so it might look like this in writing. Deadline, fire. Notion recognizes these short codes and converts them into the matching icon right in your text. It's perfect for quick visual labels, status markers, or little callouts. If you want the icon to stand on its own, simply add a space before the colon so the icon doesn't attach to the previous word. You can delete or move these icons just like any other character, and they'll stay aligned with your text for a clean look. Next, you can copy icons from other sources and paste them directly into your Notion text. This works great if you already have a favorite emoji, symbol, or icon style you like to use. Just copy it from the source, maybe another document or an emoji library, and paste it where you want it. Once it's in Notion, it behaves like regular text, so you can place it at the start of a sentence, in line with a label, or at the end of a checklist item. This method is handy when you are reusing a consistent set of symbols across different pages to keep a visual language going. Finally, typing the AT symbol followed by the name of a page lets you reference that page in your text. And it can include the icon associated with that page. Type at and start entering the page name. When you select it, Notion inserts a link that often displays the page's icon right beside it. This is especially useful when you are mentioning a project, a meeting note, or a database entry that already has an icon set. It keeps your references visual and makes scanning long notes much easier. If that page doesn't have an icon, the text link still appears just without the graphic. To recap, you can add icons by using the colon keyword right after a word, by copying and pasting icons from other places, and by it mentioning a page to bring in its icon. Try mixing these approaches to make your content more scannable and expressive. Thanks for watching.